In primetime news this evening, the student-athlete in discipline debate, merited or much ado about nothing.
Concerns about beach access amid hotel construction boom in Trelawney.
And PNP responds to resignation of Hugh Graham as shadow spokesman and councillor. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We are live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Javon Keys.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, we've been hearing about the merger of Pan Jam Investments and Jamaica producers for the past few months. But what's the latest? That and more in the Business Day.
And Jordan Fort is standing by with a preview of what's to come in sports. Jordan?
Well, Javon, after the victory comes a celebration, and the Hydel and the Kingston College School were in jubilant moods today, of course, as they celebrated their champs titles from this past weekend today at General Assembly. We'll have all of that for you in a Primetime Sports Monday.
And speaking about moods, Romain is here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast. Romain?
Thank you, Janella. Now, this Holy Week, we are expecting a mixture of partly cloudy conditions for the afternoons with some showers also possible on Good Friday. I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what more can be done to improve beach access for citizens?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.